Want to create cinematic viral videos in seconds? Kling 3.0 just launched on Higgsfield AI. Create stunning 15-second videos, multi-shot scenes, and emotional content that looks unbelievably real. This AI video tool is a total game changer. Let me show you exactly how to use it. Hey, this is Shujat Ahmed, and you're watching AI Ustad 2.0. Let's go to Google and search for Higgsfield AI. Then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the homepage of Higgsfield AI. Here we will find the latest update of AI video generation tool, Kling 3.0. On Higgsfield AI, we can create viral content with the help of this amazing advanced AI video generation tool. Here on Higgsfield AI, we can also turn prompts into motion design videos. With the help of this amazing tool, Higgsfield AI, we can create images, generate videos, create motion controls, and access more features. We can also find the latest tools on this platform such as Nano Banana Pro, Kling Motion Control, and we can also create AI influencers. We can also find different images and videos in the mixed media section created by users and creators. In the image section, we can find all the image generation tools available here. In the video section, we can find the latest AI video generation tools, but in this video, we will go through Kling 3.0. Here we can start our video generation with a start and ending frame according to our requirements. The best part is multi-shot. With the help of Kling 3.0, we can create multiple shots and generate one video. We can toggle this on or off according to our needs. After that, we can select video duration up to 15 seconds. This is game changing for AI video generation. We can also add elements to our video. Here we can see the latest model, Kling 3.0. In this video, we will use Kling 3.0. After that, we can change the ratio of our video. For example, we can generate videos for YouTube, we can generate videos for TikTok, Instagram, and Reels based on our requirements. We can also change the resolution of our video depending on our requirements. Now let's go through video generation. This time, I will generate a 15-second video. For that purpose, I will enter a prompt. A cinematic boxing fight inside a dark crowded arena. Dynamic camera movement with smooth dolly in shots. Two boxers clash in the ring. Slow motion punch impacts. Capture sweat particles floating through the air. After that, we can toggle sound on or off according to our requirements. We will go through sound. We can also add elements to our video. Now here we can see we have chosen Kling 3.0. Now we can change video duration up to 15 seconds. For the ratio, we can select 16:9 ratio. After that, we can select the resolution of our video. Once everything is done, click on generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and see. Wow, amazing. We can see the video is based on our prompt. With the help of this amazing advanced AI video generation tool, we can generate such types of videos. Here we can see the punches and the sweat. This makes this tool more famous. We can also download this video for free. For that purpose, click on download. Once the download is complete, let's play and see the video that we have created using this amazing AI tool. Wow, from now on we can generate such types of videos effortlessly. Now we want to generate a multi-shot video. For that purpose, toggle on multi-shot. First of all, we will enter a prompt for our first shot. Once we enter a prompt for the first shot, we can change the video duration. After that, we can also add elements to our video. Now we want to add one more shot, click on shot. Here I will enter a prompt and then I will change the video duration according to our needs. Now I will add one more shot, click on add shot. Then I will paste a prompt and we can change the video duration according to our needs. Here we can see we can use Kling 3.0 for our video generation. We can also change the ratio and resolution of our video quality according to our requirements. Once everything is done, click on generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video for us, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play. Wow, amazing. Here we can see we have added 3 shots. And in the video, we can also see 3 different shots. With the help of Kling 3.0, we can create such types of videos easily. Now we want to generate another video. Here I will enter a prompt. Here we can see we have used Kling 3.0. After that, we can change the video duration and ratio according to our needs. Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video, so be patient. Once our video is ready, let's play and see. Wow, amazing. We can create such types of videos easily and effortlessly with the help of this amazing and advanced AI video generation tool. Now we want to generate a video from an image to show emotions. For that purpose, we need to add an image. Click on Frame, select an image from your computer system, and click on Open. Once our image is uploaded successfully, now we can enter our prompt. Close-up cinematic shot of a young woman crying with deep emotion, tears rolling down her cheeks, eyes closed, face trembling, soft dramatic light on a dark background, slow camera push-in, realistic skin texture with tear shine. Sad and heartbreaking expression, studio light, shadow, depth of field, ultra-realistic 4K, emotional mood. Once we enter the prompt, we can turn sound on or off based on our requirements. We can also add elements here. After that, here we can see for this video generation, we will use Kling 3.0, the advanced AI video generation model. After that, we can change the video duration and video resolution according to our needs. Once everything is done, click on Generate. It takes a few seconds to generate a video, so be patient. Once the video is ready, let's play and see the video. Wow, amazing. We can create this video with just a prompt and an image. Each and everything in the video looks like real. We can create such types of emotional videos easily and effortlessly. From today, we can create such types of videos easily and effortlessly. With the help of Kling 3.0, we can create such types of videos. We can create videos for our TikTok, Instagram, and Reels based on our requirements. Higgsfield AI released Kling 3.0 and it changed video creation forever. That's how you create amazing videos using Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield AI. Try out this amazing AI tool for yourself and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe to AI Start 2.0 for the latest updates about AI tools and trends.